Welcome to The Explainer. We're uncovering the secret story hidden inside every single photo you take.
Yep, every picture you share has invisible info inside. So what's it actually saying? First up, the secret life of photos. We're talking about metadata, which is kind of like your photo's digital DNA. Your phone or camera adds this data automatically, and it travels with the image wherever it goes. Okay, section 2, decoding the data. This metadata speaks 3 different languages, or what we call standards.
You've got EXIF for text specs, IPTC for copyrights, and XMP, which tracks every single edit you make.
So, section 3, why this data matters. Turns out it's used by way more people than you'd think. For photographers, Exif is a cheat sheet. It helps them repeat a great shot and nail their technique.
E-commerce sellers, they scrub GPS data from photos to protect their home or warehouse location. Smart.
Journalists use it to verify a photo's source and to check for any signs of digital tampering. And stock photo sites like Getty, they require photographers to embed specific copyright and keyword data. For the rest of us, it's simply about privacy, knowing what your photos reveal before you post them. On to section 4, reading the invisible ink. So how can you actually see this hidden information?
Your computer's built-in tools are fine, but they're basic. Online readers give you the full story.
Using an online tool is super simple. You just drag and drop your photo to see everything. And don't worry, these tools work in your browser, so your picture never actually leaves your computer. Finally, section 5, your digital footprint. This is all about what travels with every photo you share. Get this, a single photo can hold over 300 data points, from the camera model to edits. So your photos have a story. This isn't about being scared, just aware. Now you know how to read it.
Your images carry more than pixels. They carry your brand, your location, your copyright. With Exif Injector, you inject the right metadata into every photo. Exif, IPTC, XMP. In bulk, in seconds. Whether you sell on Etsy, Shopify, or stock platforms, your images finally speak to search engines. Give life to your images. Visit exifinjector.com. Start free today.